Hello friends! This tutorial shows how to switch a PDF to the legal page size in Adobe Acrobat. Specifically, we'll be switching from letter size to legal size. However, you can use these steps to switch from other sizes as well. After making the switch, we'll remove the extra white space that appears at the top of the page and discuss the limitations of removing the extra white space at the bottom of the page. These steps apply to the current subscription versions of Adobe Acrobat on PC and Mac. These steps don't apply to the older non-subscription versions of the software or Adobe's free PDF display software, Acrobat Reader. Before we begin, please note that this process can be difficult to reverse. Therefore, strongly consider performing these steps on a secondary copy of your PDF, not on the original. To begin, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and then select All Tools in the global toolbar if it doesn't open automatically. From there, select Organize Pages. When the Organize Pages pane appears, select Set Page Boxes. When the Set Page Boxes dialog box appears, open the Page Sizes menu and choose Legal. And then select All in the Page Range section. Alternatively, you can enter a page range into the From and To text boxes. Or open the Apply To menu and choose Odd Pages Only or Even Pages Only if you don't want to change every page. If we stop here, we'll get quite a bit of extra white space at the top of the pages. To remove that extra space, select Center if it's not already selected, and then enter a larger amount such as 3 in the Y offset text box. Be careful not to change the X offset. Lastly, select the OK button. As you can see, the pages have now been changed to legal size, and the white space has been reduced at the top. You can now save your PDF to save your changes. Before we close, you may be wondering, what about the extra white space at the bottom of the page? Acrobat handles each page individually, so content doesn't flow between pages as it does in Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Therefore, the content will not shift upward to fill the extra white space at the bottom of the pages. If your text is written in small portions, you can copy and paste each text box into a higher location to fill this empty space. However, that's not an efficient option for most documents. If the extra space at the bottom is not acceptable, another workaround is to convert your PDF to a Microsoft Word document, change to legal size in Word, and then reconvert back to a PDF. Be forewarned, however, that this double conversion process can alter other formats in your document. All the steps we just performed are listed on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlists, how to use Adobe Acrobat, and how to use Microsoft Word. If you found today's tutorial helpful, please leave me a comment with any other writing-related software topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and of course I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.